In the 11th chapter of How to Make Your First Million, Vincent Arte ventures into the dynamic realm of networking and relationship building. Aptly titled Networking and Building Relationships, this chapter serves as a strategic guide for readers, unraveling the intricacies of fostering meaningful connections and leveraging networks for financial success. Arte's narrative not only underscores the significance of relationships in wealth building, but also provides practical insights into cultivating a robust professional network. Arte initiates the chapter by highlighting the transformative power of relationships in the realm of finance. He challenges readers to perceive networking not merely as a transactional pursuit, but as a strategic investment in one's financial journey. The chapter's central thesis revolves around the idea that well-nurtured relationships can unlock doors, create opportunities, and amplify one's wealth-building endeavors. The exploration gains momentum as Arte delves into the fundamental principles of effective networking. He introduces readers to the art of making authentic connections, emphasizing the role of genuine interest, active listening, and reciprocity. Arte's insights empower readers to transcend surface-level interactions and cultivate relationships based on trust and mutual benefit. Arte addresses the psychological dimensions of networking, unraveling the intricacies of overcoming social anxiety and building confidence in professional settings. He provides practical tips on breaking the ice, initiating conversations, and navigating networking events with purpose and poise. Arte's insights serve as a roadmap for readers, regardless of their comfort level with social interactions. The narrative unfolds as Arte guides readers through the process of identifying and leveraging their existing network. He introduces the concept of the hidden network, emphasizing the untapped potential within one's current circle of acquaintances, friends, and colleagues. Arte empowers readers to recognize and harness the latent opportunities embedded in their social fabric. A pivotal theme woven throughout the chapter is the importance of strategic networking. Arte challenges readers to adopt a purpose-driven approach, aligning their networking efforts with their financial goals. He introduces readers to the concept of the networking plan, a personalized strategy that directs energy toward connections that contribute to wealth-building objectives. Arte's insights transform networking from a generic activity into a targeted and results-oriented pursuit. The exploration deepens as Arte addresses the role of mentorship in wealth building. He underscores the transformative impact of mentor-mentee relationships, providing readers with practical guidance on identifying, approaching, and nurturing mentorships. Arte's insights illuminate the symbiotic nature of mentorship, where both parties stand to gain valuable insights and experiences. Arte navigates the landscape of industry events and professional associations, illustrating how active participation can elevate one's networking game. He provides readers with strategies for making a memorable impression, forging connections, and positioning themselves as valuable contributors within their professional communities. Arte's insights empower readers to leverage industry networks for both personal and financial growth. The chapter unfolds as Arte explores the digital frontier of networking. He introduces readers to the opportunities presented by social media platforms, professional networking sites, and online communities. Arte's insights guide readers in creating and curating their digital presence, fostering connections beyond geographical boundaries. The integration of digital networking strategies positions readers to amplify their reach and influence. Arte delves into the concept of strategic alliances and partnerships, emphasizing their role in amplifying financial opportunities. He provides readers with practical insights into identifying and cultivating partnerships that align with their wealth-building goals. Arte's exploration of strategic alliances underscores the collaborative nature of success in the financial landscape. The narrative gains depth as Arte addresses the significance of relationship building in entrepreneurship and business ventures. He guides readers through the complexities of fostering relationships with clients, collaborators, and stakeholders. Arte's insights illuminate the role of trust, communication, and mutual understanding in establishing enduring business relationships that contribute to financial success. A pivotal theme throughout the chapter is the role of gratitude and reciprocity in relationship building. Arte challenges readers to adopt an attitude of gratitude, acknowledging the contributions of their network and expressing appreciation. He introduces readers to the concept of the relationship bank, where deposits of goodwill and support compound over time, fostering a culture of reciprocity. The chapter concludes with Arte's exploration of legacy building through relationships. He challenges readers to consider the lasting impact of their connections on future generations and encourages the cultivation of relationships that transcend immediate financial gains. Arte's insights position relationship building as a cornerstone of a legacy that extends beyond monetary wealth. In conclusion, networking and building relationships emerges as a pivotal chapter in Vincent Arte's wealth-building narrative. Through a blend of strategic insights, psychological acumen, and practical guidance, Arte demystifies the art of networking and relationship building. Whether readers are forging connections in the corporate world, entrepreneurial ventures, or digital landscapes, Arte's insights empower them to navigate the intricate web of relationships with purpose, authenticity, and a keen eye on financial success. Ready to unlock the secrets to financial success? Don't miss out on the full version of the best-selling personal finance book, How to Make Your First Million, by Vincent Arte. Visit vincentarte.com now to grab your copy and embark on the journey to financial freedom. And that's not all. Everyone who buys a book through our website will have the unique opportunity, courtesy of Vincent Arte, to secure lifelong passive income for themselves.